Pull him up, get a picture of him. What long is the shell? Look, I can get his gear.
Where's your phone? Marvin, where's your phone?
Oh. Yep.
Did he get off?
No. He might still be on there.
Oh, the light.
Yeah, the light, because it snapped out.
Just cut this bitch, man.
Get him over here. Can you get him back up here again?
Camera on?
I got the camera on.
Camera or the actual video?
I got the video. It's a video. If you get him up one more time, let's see how close we can get to him. He's under the boat. See him right there?
Look at that monster.
Oh my God. Bring it up, bring it.
Come on, Robbie. You got video on too, B?
I got
You got what?
camera.
Camera, you should put a video, so get the video.
I still got him on the, I'm still holding on to it.
Right there.
Okay. Oh my God. What do you say? What do you say, man?
That motherfucker is big. What do you think? Over 100 inches, huh?
Oh, yeah, at least.
Way over.
At least. You got him in there. Let me get the hook out of his jaw. Put the light off.
Bring your light up so we can...
All right, there you go. Now I got you. Man, what a night. Ain't even been out here 30 minutes. Piled and hooked into an oversized one.
Look at that.
Man, I got to put a ruler on here so we can start measuring stuff like that. Good job, buddy.
Alright, let's let him go. He's over, way over, huh?
Oh, hell yeah.
Way over.
He's so much over, it's crazy.
Still got video on?
Oh, I got video on.
This is how we do it right here, boys. This is how we do it.
This is
Get a picture one more time. One more picture. Oh. Ah.
Oh.
Hold on. Move this for you.
Yeah, move that rod.
We gotta throw him back.
You can't even pick him up and look at him. Don't let him throw you over.
That's how we do it, boys.
This is Cali for you. This is Cali right here, baby.
Oh, that's how we do it.